including, what is this stuff right here? What's this stuff here? It's the sidewalk that used to be in front of your house before they came and broke it all up. So that's exactly right. If you have a big capital project, or if they're digging up a sewer line or the gas line, for example, now I think under First Avenue or Terminal, they're digging up the gas line. All that broken up concrete will come here. And we take it, once a year we rent a chopper and it chops up the concrete and the asphalt and we make new road out of it. So we are even recycling the sidewalk under your feet. You can see the water truck going around. He's spraying just water. The water is from the lake, not from out of the water tap. And it's just to control the dust. So the hill here on your left, that's the original height that the landfill was planned for. It's about 15 meters high, 50 meters above sea level. And the trees that were planted in front of us here would have blocked the view of this from the road. But in the 1990s, we got to the end of the landfill. What are we going to do with all this garbage? And so then we decided to go up. So the final height of the landfill is 39 meters. And the hill we're going to drive up now is called Phase 1. And that's the first part of the landfill that we actually made to the final height of 39 meters.